New crew, welcome back to Backroads Homestead. Today I'm sharing with you guys a really quick, easy laundry detergent recipe. About 2 years ago, maybe it was longer than that, I started making my own laundry detergent, a different recipe than what we're going to be doing today. Stopped using my homemade laundry detergent for a little over a year because I found after I had my 5th baby that the laundry detergent was not doing what I needed it to do to take out like all the breast milk, and it just wasn't holding up to what I needed it to. So I went back to store-bought laundry detergent. When I was having that issue, a couple people sent me their own recipes that they follow for me to try, but I just like wasn't in the season of life with a newborn. So here we are, not dealing with breast milk or anything like that anymore. Now that she is over 1, we are ready to go ahead and get back into the swing of homemade laundry detergent because I am so excited to be saving that money, you guys. So we are going to be doing some of the recipes that you guys sent me today. I will link the recipe down below for you because I'm just going to be dumping and pouring. I'm not going to be following the recipe to a T, but I will link the recipe down below, and we'll talk about all the ingredients that I have and what I'm going to be putting them in. I have these big jars. I got these from TJ Maxx a couple of years ago. They were pretty inexpensive. I want to say they were like $15 for one of these big jugs. They're half gallons, I think. They're 3.5 liters. I have 2 of them here. I used to make a laundry detergent that was liquid. I can link that recipe down below for you too if you're interested. Super easy, super quick. But I want to try this powdered one just because I think it's going to be easier for my kids, especially because they're starting to do their own laundry more and more. So this morning I went ahead and rinsed out my jars because they've been sitting for about a year. So I'm just going to go ahead and give them a wipe down. I think they're pretty dry, but because we're putting dry ingredients in here, I don't want them to be wet in any way. I am going to be making these in both of these. I have 2 laundries, 2 washer and dryer sets, one on my first floor of my house and one on the second floor of my house. So I need one from both sets of washers and dryers. That's why I'm doubling this today. But if you wanted to, you could double it. Obviously, just make it once and have it for as long as it'll last your family. Because this is a new recipe to me, I can't tell you how long this is going to last for my family. We're just gonna have to try and see and figure out how long it lasts. So for this, we're gonna need some borax. I keep this on stock all the time. Some washing soda, super inexpensive as well. I got mine from Walmart. If I end up liking this recipe, I will try to find it where I can buy it in bulk in another location most likely. And then the last thing you're going to need is old OxiClean. I love OxiClean. I put this in every load of laundry anyways with my farm kids and my blue collar husband. Like, this is probably one of my most used products in my house at all times. I buy this from Sam's Club when it's on instant savings. I'll buy like 3 boxes at a time and just have it. Then the last thing I'm using, but you don't need, is some sort of scent boosters. Like I said, not a requirement. I'm just adding this because my family enjoys it. And I will just buy pretty much whatever is on instant savings for Sam's Club. I buy them once every 6 months or something like that because we don't go through them very quickly. And especially when you're making your own laundry detergent in bulk here and you can have it pre-mixed, the whole mix kind of ends up smelling like whatever scent bead you're putting in. So you really don't need a whole heck of a lot at all. My borax already open, but I'm gonna end up putting about half of a box in each one of my jars here. I like these jars a lot because they do have the lines here, so it makes it super easy to measure if I just want to see what I'm doing here, so that my laundry detergent can be the same every time I make it, or just to make sure that each of these is about equal. With our OxiClean, and I'm going to stir these in here so that it's all mixed well. But then it'll be really easy when it comes time for my kids to do laundry. For myself, I'll just take whatever scoops come in my OxiClean here and put them in each one of these, and then we'll use that to divvy out our laundry detergent, which should be pretty easy. These do latch. This jar is broken though, so I will hold it as I shake it. It is that simple. Just in a matter of a couple minutes, I made my own laundry detergent, which should help save my family, especially a large family like mine, hundreds of dollars within. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, making a really quick, easy homemade swap. Not necessarily like all natural, because we add the OxiClean, especially if you're adding these scent boosters. While all natural and all of that is really great, I do like a lot of those things, and sometimes that is the priority. Sometimes, like today, the priority is just saving money, because this is far cheaper than what it would be to buy laundry detergent for a family my size. We easily can be doing a couple of loads of laundry a day, so this is going to help save us a ton of money. It took me just a couple minutes, like you guys can see, and especially if you're a smaller size family, something like this would last you a whole heck of a lot longer. So we're gonna get these put away in the laundry rooms and start doing some laundry with our homemade laundry detergent. I use all my borax and my washing soda, but my OxiClean, I still have plenty for more laundry detergent. I'm gonna close that box up, put it away. Same with my scent boosters here. I only ended up using like a fourth of the bottle maybe. So I've got lots of those left, and these are going to be ready to go to start washing some large family laundry. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on the homestead today. I hope wherever you guys are, you're having a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys in another one.